Hi, I'm Rachel Vitullo and welcome to How To Hair. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create textured waves. When creating textured waves, your prep is most important. So what you want to do is make sure you create a really gritty texture in the hair to allow any style to hold. What we're going to do is take horizontal sections and spray our product in. The product I'm going to be using is 11 Australia's I Want Body Texture Spray. When applying this product, you want to make sure that you spray it root to tip. Once applying the product, you want to make sure that you comb through with a wide tooth comb just to make sure the product's applied evenly. The first section that we're going to be taking is right at the nape of the neck. So I'll take my first section. And what we're going to do is open up our clamp, slide it into the hair, rotate it slightly before closing. What that's going to do is just make sure that we don't get any indentations in the hair when we're creating movement. We're just going to rotate that tongue around 360 and then looping that hair out. And we're just going to continue with this motion all the way to the tip. We're going to work in alternate sections just to make sure we get that really nice textured look. We want to make sure that we leave the same amount of root area smooth as we do our ends, and what that's going to do is just make sure that we get a beautiful consistent wave from top to bottom. When working with the top sections, what we want to do is make sure that we get symmetry with our curl. So my best advice for this step is to curl the front section on the right hand side first. And then jump on over to the left side. And curl that front section. You just want to check for symmetry. Once all your curling is complete, your next step, which I think a lot of people are afraid to do, but if you've done your prep right, you'll be fine, and that is to rake out all the curls. Make sure that you use a wide tooth comb. So to finish this look, what I'm going to be using is the Give Me Hold Flexible Hairspray from 11 Australia. When you're spraying any hairspray at all, make sure that you spray it in short, sharp squirts so the product is applied evenly from root to tip. And there you have it, textured waves. If there's anything in particular that you'd like to see, make sure you comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.